The 10th of May 2022. I travelled to the edge of Valencia, staying at a campsite called Nomadic Valencia. I checked in at 12:30 PM. This was nice and early for me. I met Andreas, the German legend here. He was reversing his van into a tight space and I helped him park up on the pitch next to mine. After I'd eaten lunch, we got chatting about vans and our respective travels. Andreas offered me a beer. This was so kind. We talked some more about life and football. We then both agreed to hop on the metro and explore Valencia in the evening. After a few beers, I suggested we should go to a Valencia football match at the Mestalla. We booked tickets online, and wow, what an experience this was. One row from the back, the sun was setting over the mountains, and the whole city illuminated orange. Just a quick one before heading out into Valencia for day 2. 86% of you aren't subscribed, so if you are enjoying the content, please consider hitting the subscribe button. Enjoy the rest of the video. Thursday, the 12th of May, 2022. Needless to say, I was feeling the effects of drinking last night, but I don't regret it. Andreas and I had such a fun time in Valencia, exploring the city during the day, eating food, drinking and going to a music gig. This morning, Andreas made coffee and eggs. This really helped with the hangover. Around 11 AM, I said my goodbyes to Andreas. It was such a great experience meeting him and exploring Valencia together. We wished each other safe travels, and he left the campsite to head south towards Murcia. I stuck around for a while, spending the next 5 hours to edit and upload a YouTube video. Once this was done, I headed into the mountains to park up for the night and caught up on some much needed rest. Tomorrow I'm going to explore and find a waterfall. Oh, and I also need to fit a mosquito net so that I can keep the van cooler at night. So I spent the day yesterday just on the outskirts of Valencia near my campsite. editing a YouTube video, got that up, and then headed about 40 minutes outside of Valencia to this spot here. It's just near a town called Bunal. It's actually quite a nice spot. The only sad thing is about it, there's quite a lot of litter around, but you've got benches, quite a nice view, some more benches down there, and lots of walks through the forest up there. But yeah, it's quite a decent spot. I had a really good night's sleep here. I'm just going to head now into the town of Bunal, go to the laundrette, and also try and find some mosquito nets. I want to try and get the ones where it's like a thing on the door and then it's got a magnetic strip down the middle, just so in the evening I can keep the doors open and not have to worry about mosquitoes, to cool the van down a bit because it's getting hotter now. So I'm heading towards another waterfall. I'm just outside of a town called Bunal, which I think I said earlier is where I thought I stayed last night, but actually the place that I stayed last night was Chivas. So I'm just outside of Bunal. There's a waterfall here. I'm just reading this sign. Restriction de paso. I guess that means they don't want you to go down here. The car park's closed for some reason, but it seems okay. Oh, maybe you can't get down here. We'll check it out. It's all really messy river. I think the restriction might be to these places, but there is some kind of walk you can do up to the waterfall, I believe, so we'll give it a go. But this water looks quite clean, I think. Just hope there's no industrial pollution into the water from these buildings, but they seem to be disused, so hopefully it'll be okay. This is a strange place. There's a lot of rubbish, and also, what's that? And also, there's like a lot of concrete, like waste. Like they've tried to build stuff here, and it's just not lasted. Like these bits and stuff. I don't know. It's a strange one. Well, they have a bin, but clearly not been emptied for a while. There's actually a hiking trail you can do all the way around here.